What's up, people of the YouTube world? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the air filter system or the air filter element of CBR 250. It's quite simple actually. All you need is this Allen key and a star screwdriver. This is the part I picked up from Honda authorized service center. That is, this is just an air filter element, part number 17211KYJ710. The cost of this part was 308 bucks. That's it. You can do it yourself. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is remove the seats. The air filter is under the front seats. These two bolts must be undone with the help of the Allen key. One bolt down. Second bolt. Keep all the bolts very carefully. You shouldn't lose them. That's pretty much it for the Allen key. That's all you need it for. While removing the front seat, once you have removed the bolts, you need to lift this up here carefully so that you don't break them, and just pull this back. That's it. So the front seat's off. As you can see, this box right here contains the air filter. It says notice, do not clean the air filter, replace it according to maintenance schedule. There are two star shaped screws which are here and here. In mine this one is not there. I don't know why it's not there, but it just isn't. So I should undo this one. This is the battery. That's it, the cover's off. So let me show you this. 1 second. As of now, we just remove the back seat, remove the front seat, and just remove the cap of the air filter box. This itself here is the air filter element which I need to remove. It's quite easy actually. It's just a press remove mechanism. That's it, it's out. All you need to do is pull it out. That's it. This is the air filter. So we don't need this anymore, so bye bye. Now comes a new part, which is here. And the only reason I had this blade here was to just open this. That's it. There's no other use for the blade, and that's done. I'm going to set it down so that I can just keep the blade there. This is the new air filter. It's the same thing pretty much. You just need to push it in and lock it in place. These are the two locking hooks. So all you need to do is slide it in. Once you have pushed the air filter system inside, just lift it up that way and pull with a little strength. You hear this distinctive click sound. Once you're done, be careful, these have a tendency to break. Once you hear those two click sounds, that's it, job done. You have just changed your air filters. I don't really have a screw for this end because I don't know. I don't know. The last time the service center people removed it, I don't think they put it back in. So that's that. Next, it's time for the front seats to go. You gotta be careful because most of these are fiber body parts, and if you put pressure in a wrong angle, it's gonna like just snap. So watch out there. That's it. screw, 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 screw it into place. If you don't tighten them, you'll get that distinctive vibration while you're riding, so don't forget to tighten them enough. That's pretty much it. We changed the air filter system for our CBR 250R. Yeah. It is a stock air filter I just changed, so it should sound stock. Off the bat I can tell you it's much like smoother, not exactly smoother, the beats are rhythmic, a little off before. Yep, it's working, it's fine. Mission accomplished. See you guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.